Today we are going to talk about our home planet Earth. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is about 8,000 miles and Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. Its average distance from the Sun is about 93 million miles. Only Mercury and Venus are closer. Earth is the only planet known to have large amount of liquid water. As we know, liquid water is essential for life. Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. From space, Earth looks like a blue marble with white fields and areas of brown, yellow, green and white. The blue is water, which covers about 71% of Earth's surface. The white fields are clouds. The areas of brown, yellow and green are land, and the areas of white are ice and snow. The equator is an imaginary circle that divides Earth into two halves. The northern half is called the northern hemisphere. The southern half is called the southern hemisphere. The northernmost point on Earth is called the North Pole. The southernmost point on Earth is called the South Pole. Humans have known that Earth is round for more than 2000 years. The ancient Greeks measured shadows during summer solstice and also calculated Earth's circumference. They used positions of stars and constellations to estimate distances on Earth. They could even see the planet's round shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse. Today, scientists use geodesy, which is the science of measuring Earth's shape, gravity and rotation. Geodesy provides accurate measurements that show Earth is round with GPS and other satellites. Scientists can measure Earth's size and shape to within a centimeter. Pictures from space also show Earth is round like the moon, even though our planet is a sphere, but in fact it is not a perfect sphere because of the force caused when Earth rotates. The north and south poles are slightly flat. Earth rotation, wobbly motion and other forces are making the planet change shape very slowly, but it is still round. Earth orbits the Sun once every 365 days or 1 year. The shape of its orbit is not quite a perfect circle. It's more like an oval, which causes Earth's distance from the Sun to vary during the year. Earth is nearest the Sun or at perihelion in January when it's about 91 million miles away. Earth is farthest from the Sun or at aphelion in July when it is about 95 million miles away. At the equator, Earth spins at just over 1000 miles per hour. Earth makes a full spin around its axis once every 24 hours or 1 day. The axis is an imaginary line through the center of the planet from the North Pole to the South Pole, rather than straight up and down. Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. At all times, half of the Earth is lighted by the Sun and half is in darkness. Areas facing towards the Sun experience daytime. Areas facing away from the Sun experience nighttime. As the planet spins, most places on Earth cycle through day and night, once every 24 hours. The North Pole and South Pole have continuous daylight or darkness, depending on the time of year. Earth has seasons because its axis is tilted. Thus, the Sun's rays hit different parts of the planet more directly depending on the time of the year. From June to August, the sun rays hit the northern hemisphere more directly than the southern hemisphere. The result is warm summer weather in the northern hemisphere and cold winter weather in the southern hemisphere. From December to February, the sun's rays hit the northern hemisphere less directly than the southern hemisphere. The result is cold winter weather in the northern hemisphere and warm summer weather in the southern hemisphere. From September to November, the sun shines equally on both hemispheres. The result is fall in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. The sun also shines equally on both hemispheres from March to May. The result is spring in the northern hemisphere and fall in the southern hemisphere. Earth has a powerful magnetic field. This phenomena is caused by the nickel-iron core of the planet coupled with its rapid rotation. This field protects the Earth from the effects of the solar wind. Earth is also the densest planet in the solar system. This varies according to the part of the planet. For example, the metallic core is denser than the crust. The average density of Earth is approximately 5.52 grams per cubic centimeter.